Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We brought on a brand new knife line in 2023. This is the EIKONIC Aperture folding knife, and this is in brown canvas micarta, the part number 551 SBR. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe to be alerted to new product videos, discount codes, and other specials. So the EIKONIC Aperture comes with premium D2 steel, and the blade measures just under 3 1/4 inch long. It really feels great in the hand and has great action when you're opening it. Nice, smooth, and quick. And this is a great quality knife for those that are on a budget, as these only cost $89.99 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video right now. Thank you.